every day, one by one, I'm gonna try every recipe of Laura, starting from the very beginning. Come, join me on my challenge. Let's go! We're gonna need 1 large bunch of asparagus, bottom 5 centimeters trimmed off, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 20 grams of freshly grated Parmesan, and salt and pepper. I started by turning on my oven to preheat to 220 degrees. And while that's happening, I'll prepare the asparagus. I will lay it in a single layer on a large baking sheet lined with aluminum foil for easy cleanup. Season everything with salt and pepper, drizzle the olive oil, and toss everything together. So once the oven is ready, I'll put the asparagus into it for 10 minutes to roast. After 10 minutes have passed, I'm going to push the asparagus close to each other, sprinkle the cheese evenly over the top, and place it back into the oven for 2 more minutes. And that's it! A short minute was given for these to cool down just slightly so I don't burn my mouth that bad. But now I'm ready to dig in. One thing I have to be honest is I don't think I'll be a fan of this Parmesan cheese because this smells weird. I know how Parmesan tastes and smells, so this vegan one has a weird smell. But did I speak too fast? Too soon? This actually tastes not that bad. Okay, it definitely smells weird with the cheese, not the asparagus. But the taste is good. This could be my dinner. I know it's under the category of quick side dishes. And quick it is indeed. But if you like, okay, asparagus is not something that is just laying around in the fridge, but if you happen to have some, this is dinner in 10 minutes. This is great. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm so happy! I thought that there will be no substitution for Parmesan, which I love. Oh my god, that cheese is everything. But this ain't that bad. Says the one eating like 10th asparagus already. Shall I stop and be polite? Real Parmesan or a substitute? Look at me! This is tasty. This is quick. This is tasty. This is healthy. This is quite mild in its taste, so I feel like it would fit anything. And honestly, I'm running out of ideas to say, so if you want to compare how I did, this is how Laura's looks like. This is the army of mine. Oh, I'm very pleased. I was a bit nervous, but this is a happy ending. If you want to watch Laura make this, the link is there in the cards. If you want to try this recipe yourself, the written recipe is in the description box down below. As I clearly am losing the gift of speech, I will be running away. Thank you so much for watching. If you want more recipes like this, the whole playlist is there, and I will see you soon. Bye!